In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Outlook calendar to Notion. We'll start in Outlook on the web. Open your browser, go to Outlook, and sign into your account. In the top right, click the gear icon to open Settings. From there, go to Calendar Settings, then find the Shared Calendar section. Here you'll see options to work with calendars you own or have access to. Use the drop-down to select the shared calendar you want to display in Notion. This is important because the link you generate will only show that specific calendar. Next, look for the Publish Calendar area. Choose the calendar you just selected, then pick the permission level that matches what you want viewers to see, such as viewing availability only or viewing all details. When you're ready, publish the calendar. Outlook will generate links immediately below. You'll typically see two links, an HTML link for viewing in a web page and an ICS link for calendar apps. For embedding in Notion, copy the HTML link. Keep in mind that anyone with this link can see the calendar details you allowed, so avoid publishing sensitive calendars. Also, updates from Outlook will flow through to this link automatically, though it can take a short time to refresh. Now switch to Notion in your web browser and sign in. Navigate to the page where you want your Outlook calendar to appear. Click into the page and type /embed to bring up the embed block, then select it. Paste the HTML link you copied from Outlook and click Embed Link. After a moment, your Outlook calendar should load right inside the page. If you see a blank frame or a sign-in prompt, double-check that you used the HTML link from the Publish section and that the calendar is set to be shareable at the permission level you intended. A quick page refresh can also help the embed initialize. From here, you can continue working in Notion while your calendar stays visible and up to date. The embed will reflect changes you make in Outlook without additional steps, so you can manage events in Outlook and view them from your Notion workspace. That's all there is to it. Publish the right calendar in Outlook, copy the HTML link, and embed it into your Notion page with the embed block. Thanks for watching.